Kitchen with a Smart Stovetop 2025. Intelligent cooking technology and modern kitchen design ideas. Welcome to the future of cooking. In this video, we explore the latest innovation in home kitchens, the Smart Stovetop, and how it's transforming the heart of the home in 2025. Whether you're passionate about smart home technology or planning a kitchen renovation, this video is packed with inspiration and practical ideas to bring your kitchen into the modern age. Imagine a cooking experience where your stovetop senses temperature changes, adjusts heat automatically, connects to your smartphone, and even offers cooking suggestions in real time. That's the power of a smart kitchen, and it's here today. What you'll see in this video: stunning modern kitchen designs that feature smart stovetops. How smart stovetops enhance safety, efficiency, and convenience. Space-saving layouts with built-in tech and clean aesthetics. Tips for integrating smart appliances into your existing kitchen. Futuristic kitchen decor paired with smart features. Compatible smart devices. Hoods, lights, ovens, and more. Best materials and finishes for a 2025 modern smart kitchen. Key features of a Smart Stovetop 2025. Touchscreen controls and voice commands. Alexa/Google integration. Automatic temperature regulation and food detection. Smart alerts and timers sent to your phone or tablet. Energy-efficient heating and zone control. Seamless integration with other smart kitchen appliances. Child safety locks and auto shut-off systems. Sleek, minimalist design for a high-tech look. Why choose a smart stovetop? Saves energy and enhances precision cooking. Ideal for busy lifestyles and multitasking home chefs. Modernizes your kitchen's functionality and design. Increases home value and future-proofs your appliances. Promotes safety with automation and real-time alerts. Design pairings you'll love. Smart stovetops with quartz or marble countertops. Modern cabinetry with hidden handles and soft close drawers. Touchless faucets and smart sinks for a complete smart setup. LED lighting, motion sensors, and ambient light features. Open shelving with built-in digital kitchen assistants. Perfect for smart home enthusiasts, tech-savvy families, homeowners planning kitchen remodels, interior designers and architects, anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience. Tell us in the comments. Would you install a smart stovetop in your kitchen? What smart kitchen feature would you love to have? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for the latest smart kitchen trends, home technology ideas, and futuristic interior inspiration.